it's my only solution. Counting down what seems like hours, not enough.
Good morning, guys. So I gotta fix my hair and it just looks bad. I'm gonna show you. My hair is looking crazy. I gotta fix it. We gotta get it cracking. We gotta fix it up. You see the lace is like coming up. My hair looks crazy. Like, do you not see? My hair looks crazy and it's really bad. Shout out to the girl who does my hair. But the funny thing about me is that I can't keep a wig on for like more than a week. Like, my scalp just needs like air like quite often. So a lot of times I don't know, like it's literally like as soon as that 1 week mark hits, my scalp starts itching. I start tapping. It looks like I'm a damn, like I have something wrong with me because I'm hitting my head so hard. Like the wig has to come off or I have to like moisturize my scalp. But even when I moisturize my scalp, I do notice, sorry, I have allergies. Even when I do moisturize my scalp, sometimes even still like week 2 or week 3, like the hair has to come off. Like I can't. But it's lifting really bad anyway, and it looks like dirty. Like if you can see, it looks like really dirty. And you know, because COVID times have been so wonderful, the girl who does my hair is extremely booked, so I have no choice but to try to fix this thing myself. And I am not good at doing hair, not even close. Like I'm extremely concerned for myself because I might be here for a while, but I need it to look decent. But I'm still learning, so hopefully you guys can give me some tips on what to better do for next time, because it like looks like dirty, but I don't know if that's from like the hairspray or the glue or something. Truly not sure. But you see how it has like a gray color, like a grayish, and let's look from here too. It has like a grayish color. I don't know how I'm supposed to fix that, but we're gonna see. I have some alcohol that I'm gonna like try to like rub in the scalp. I read somewhere that alcohol is really good like for removing like the glue and like the hairspray residue and stuff like that. Bad part is it said the alcohol had to be like 90%. The only one I got is 50%, but we're gonna use what we got. So hopefully it should work just fine. It spilled on my lap. You hear noises in the background. I have like a washcloth and I poured it like on the tip. I read, you know, somewhere that rubbed it on a cloth, so I'm gonna try to rub it on a cloth and see what happens. It doesn't look like anything is coming off. The hairspray she used to put the baby hair, I don't know if you can see, it's like coming off, but the gray in the lace, let me lift this piece up, let me see. I hope the wig don't hold, the whole thing don't come off, because I'll be really upset. I have to glue the whole thing right down. Up again. I really wanted to like just not talk too much and just jump straight into this video, because I already know I'm going to be here for a really long time. I feel like every day you learn more and more, and if it's something that you really want to learn, you know, you'll figure it out. I feel like I'm getting little bumps right here. I wonder if that's like allergic reaction to like the glue or something. What do you think? I hope not. It looks like it's like trailing. I feel like when I'm at home I let out the biggest sneezes ever, but like when I'm outside, especially like in the times that we're in now, I feel like when I'm outside I like hesitate to cough, even though I have allergies all year round. So it's not just one time of the year. I have allergies all year round, so it doesn't even matter what time of the year it is. I'm always sneezing. I'm allergic to life. Someone help me. I'll just leave the corner alone, because I see the cap is like lifting up too, like the wig cap underneath. I'm gonna leave that corner. Just work with whatever's already going on right there, right? I feel like the times we're in right now, I feel like when I sneeze outside in public, like I get looks and stares. And it's like, to think like 2 years ago, I used to be sneezing up a storm and no one could care less. Now I sneeze and people jump 6 feet away from me. It makes me like hesitate to sneeze. I be trying to hold it in, but it just makes the sneeze bigger. I don't want to like saturate it, because I don't want like the cap to come off. This gray is not coming off. I also read you can put like makeup in the lace. I'll try it, but I don't know exactly how to do that either. You know, we gotta figure ourselves out. Like, you know, it's not good to be so self-reliant on others when you want certain things done. You know, you gotta practice and figure out how to do it for yourself, you know? Is it looking better? I feel like it looks the same. I truly feel like it looks like the same. I'm gonna have to probably put glue back on this thing. I don't know what to do in regards to that. Do I pin up the lace as I'm putting the glue down, or just leave it flipped up? I've done this before and I usually do it horribly. Horribly. But it didn't look this bad the last time I did it. Like the grayness didn't look this bad. We're gonna try to do what we can. especially the times that we're in now, I feel like it's so important to start trying to be more self-reliant, you know? You never know. Stuff might shut down again, and then what are you gonna do? Have to figure out how to put that wig on yourself. Do your own nails. But I feel like if I had a stronger percentage of alcohol, the wig would come off because it's already like loose. I don't know. Hey, you guys gotta let me know, what do you do? Like, if it's looking dirty like this, do you just take the whole thing off and just wash it and just re-put it back on? Or do you try to like fix it so you don't have to do that? I mean, I feel like there's nothing wrong with fixing it, because at the end of the day, like, if somebody's sitting here noticing the lace, you know, not for nothing, but they might be too close to you anyway, to be honest. You shouldn't be that close, staring that hard. As long as from a distance it's decent, you know, it's good enough for me. Still looks great, very much so. When I at least get it to look like I messed up. I want to at least get it to like look like how it was before, transparent, where I can like better fix it. I feel like some of it came out, but it's like, I don't know, like I do see a little bit of a difference, but it's like, I think it's from the glue. But maybe I can like ask her to use the glue that I like to use, because the glue that she uses and the glue that I use is not the same. But I feel like it doesn't matter. I feel like no matter what, you're gonna get some kind of a residue after a while anyway. It's just with me, I'm very sensitive, so it probably happens a little faster than maybe other people. You see how like gross this is? I don't know if you can see like how much of this residue is like coming out. I don't know if I'm rubbing too hard or not. Maybe like a toothbrush or something. I don't want to like rub too hard and get it too wet, because then if I get it too moist, it might like lift the whole thing up. I feel like it looks worse than when I started. I feel like this is as good as it's gonna get. And then over here, I don't really want to touch anymore because it's like coming off. To be honest with you, like a lot of times I'll go places and they'll just be like, oh yeah, we're not letting you know, they won't let me in because of COVID, and they'll tell me to call numbers, and I'll call numbers and then no one answers the phone. But it's like, I know you're there. It's like, what are you getting paid for if you're not going to answer the phone? Like, or like some places will be like, yeah, we're, you know, they're working remotely, and then it's like, so you're sitting at home and then you're not answering the phone, but you're still getting paid. I understand that, you know, COVID is very serious, but I feel like people are using COVID as an excuse to be lazy or to not do their job, and that's annoying. I'm gonna go in with like a brush or something, try to like scrape out the little pieces of glue in the hair. People use like those little edge control brushes, and I have one, but I feel like a toothbrush is the same thing, and I don't know why. I feel like the toothbrush works a little bit better for me. Like, it's a little bit sturdier. Like, I don't know. Let me see if I have one. Like, look, it's like, and then I feel like a toothbrush is like firm, like more firmer, and it's like has a rubber too, so it's like easier for me to like hold. You tell me, like, maybe there's a reason why it's bendy. Maybe it serves the purpose that I'm just not seeing or understanding. You know, me having a fan on is probably not helping either, as she continues to leave it on. I don't know, try to like brush it out. Don't come off. Oh, this side is super, super loose. Like, I have to like hold it so it doesn't like slide any further. I found a clip. Here we go. Oh, it's sliding. I am going to get some glue. I will use the edge control brush with the glue to like put it down. So my real hair is really itchy, so we're gonna have to flip this up and put some oil on it and pray the wig doesn't come off. No, my hair is really itchy. You gotta, oh no, there, oh my god, the wig cap just is off. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Dang. Oh my gosh, no, it just came off. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Let me put this oil, because I'm about to cry. Like, I'm really about to cry. Let me put this oil because my scalp is really itchy. Oh my goodness, I was trying to prevent it from coming off. I really was trying to prevent it. Like, sweet baby, please come back down. There's a band on the inside of it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's literally glued down on one piece. Like, literally. We're gonna have to figure it out, no? I had to flip it up though. Now, I really did have to flip it up because my scalp is really, really itchy. Like, if I wouldn't have put no oil, it would have been bad. I was scratching so bad last night. I'm gonna have to put more glue than anticipated, and I'm not good at this. Oh man. A lot of glue under there though. I'm not even gonna bother trying to scrape that thing off. I'm gonna just focus on trying to get this wig to lay back down. Yeah, you see the bumps? You guys tell me what you think. Do you think that that's from the glue and me being allergic? My hand is trembling. I'm just so nervous. come on, you know, this is not helping, it's not coming out. And it's like, there's a portion of the wig cap that's still on my head. It's just not right here. It's like a piece right here. So it's like, I have to like be really, really careful. Like now my hair is coming out. I gotta be careful about that. Oh goodness. And it's like, I don't think I'm supposed to be putting the, you know, so much glue at one time because it definitely does dry quick. Shout out to all the hairdressers out there. I admire what you do because many of us cannot. But it's okay because I shall figure it out. Gotta get this thing back on. Alright, so a couple things. First thing, I fell down and stepped on my hair straightener and burned my toe. And two, I'm running late, so to the end I'm gonna not talk. Oh, last thing, when I sprayed oil, I sprayed it on my curtain. I don't think it's gonna come out either, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but that is upsetting. Anyway, we gotta hurry up, so let's go. Came out decent enough. This side I like better than this side. I had a lot of problems with the crimper. This is the first time I ever used it, or a waver. It had like a lock button, and it's like, I didn't know if the lock button made steam come out. I feel like, I'm not sure. And then also like the temperature button is like on the bottom. So every time I hold it, I would like put it up and down. And I feel like that was really inconveniencing me. So it was like I was squeezing on it harder just because I was trying to make sure my finger didn't slide over and slide the temperature. Because there was a few times where I turned it low. There was a few times I turned it off because the off button is right here. I think that's inconvenient too. And then the open and lock button, I don't know if it really makes a difference. I think it really just locks it. I thought it was more steam, but I don't know. Maybe it clamps it down better. Instead of me just holding it like this, it might lock it depending on how big the piece you put, but this is as good as it's gonna get. I tried my hardest. I read up a little bit right beforehand. It don't look like crimps. I don't know. There was a purple one of that too. Maybe the purple one is like a tighter wave, but these are like actual waves. They don't look like crimps. I don't know. But if you have a crimper and it's good, like, could you like recommend it to me? Because this is not. Anyway, I feel like it's okay. I'm gonna maybe clean it up with some alcohol right here a little bit, but it's definitely 1,000 times better than how it was before. Before it was like nasty, like super gross. I feel like wigs are really high maintenance, and you know, you have to learn to maintenance it yourself if you're not always able to go somewhere. So I feel like I will get better in time. This actually took a really long time because I burned my foot, I sprayed my curtain, my camera kept dying. I had to switch from camera to phone, so now I'm using phone. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, blessed friend, and I hope that you have a good day. I hope the rest of your day is wonderful, and don't let anybody ever steal your shine. Remember that, girl. I'll see you later, blessed friend.
Close my eyes and